Hi everyone, and welcome to day one of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges. Now, this year we're tackling things just a little bit differently because each week we're going to look at a different kind of clutter. Memory clutter. I might need it one day clutter. The toughest of all, malignant clutter. And finally, lazy clutter. Now, today's challenge is not so difficult. I just want you to walk around your home, to have a look in different rooms and to see where it is that clutter has built up. Kitchen cabinets, closets, garages, whatever it is, make a list of those and also a mental note of the type of clutter that you see being your biggest stumbling block to being organised and clutter-free. Share those insights, share those areas that you have difficulty with others on this page so that we can get a sense moving ahead what the main challenges are. Because as we move forward, we're going to tackle each type of clutter specifically to help you deal not just with the stuff, but with the reasons behind the stuff. Now, if you want to really ramp it up a bit, each of the 8 previous years of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges are on my YouTube channel. You can check those out and do some of those as well. But the biggest thing is to stay tuned with this process through the next month, because I promise with a new decade, it's going to be life-changing. Stay tuned.